Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sonya. If you guys are new, hello, nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine, all the products that I use and the steps that I take, exact brushes, everything is in this video. I like to enhance the features that I already have, so I like to keep my makeup very simple and natural looking, and I'm going to show you how I go from looking like this to this. So this is my face, pimples and all. This is the natural Sonya. The foundation that I've been loving and has always been my favorite foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me, the matte and poreless, and I am in the color 332 Golden Caramel. So I like to go over my eyes to like really blend the foundation all over the place. So that's just what I do. And then we're gonna take the excess and we're gonna bring it down to the neck down here. Now the next step that I do is my concealer, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I am in the shade medium number 25. Fun fact, these two products I've been using for years and I love it because I always get compliments on my foundation. Everyone's always like, oh, what kind of foundation do you use? It looks like your skin. And it's the Maybelline Fit Me. Love it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next because I like to let my foundation and my concealer I like to let my foundation and concealer set into my skin and dry so it doesn't look cakey. For my eyebrows, I'm going into the Morphe palette and I'm going to be using this dark brown color right here. And I just start on the end and then slowly add more product to my eyebrows. So I'm going to set my under eyes and I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent Powder. Wipe off whatever concealer foundation that cakes up from when I like open my eyes and close them. Then I'm gonna just brush a little bit of that transparent powder and I'm still just like dabbing it in just so it sets that concealer and that foundation that I put on there, and then it gets ready for eyeshadow. So it's like a 2-in-1, you know? Okay, so now that I have my concealer set, I couldn't think of what to say, I'm gonna go to my Maybelline Fit Me, you guessed it, pressed powder foundation in the number 240 Golden Beige. And I just take the little makeup applicator that it comes with and I dab just a tiny bit of product and I just like to set my foundation with it. So then this prepares my contour and my blush. So then that way when I put it on, it doesn't look so cakey. Next up is my bronzer, and I'm obsessed with this bronzer. It is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I love this stuff. So I'm gonna take my favorite contour brush. It is a mini travel size brush because I'm mini and it just fits in my hand just perfect. So I get underneath my cheekbones and then I bring it up to here. And then I like a nice chiseled jaw. So whatever's left over on my brush, I just like to take it down the sides of my nose. I don't go crazy with contouring my nose. I just like to add a little color just because we put color all over our face already. So I just like to mimic that. So once I'm done with my concealer, I move on to my blush. And I've been using this Coastal Scents palette for past few months now, and I really love this color right here. It's like a orangey peach sprinkly color. So that's the blush. Then I'm gonna go on to my highlight, and I love the Essence Pure Nude highlight. It's called Be My Highlight. It's like a really pretty kind of like Barbie doll plasticky kind of look, which I like. And I'm just gonna take this huge fan brush and dust it on the tops of my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, on my upper lip, a little bit on the chin, and just a tad bit above the eyebrows. So now that we have the face done, I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow, I just like to keep it really simple. I'm gonna go back to my Hoola bronzer. I like forgot what it was called for a second. So I just like to run that a little bit in my crease just to add some definition to my eyes. Then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that out just because you might have some like harsh lines that you don't really want there. So we're just going to blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette and I'm going to use this sort of like orangey brown color and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. Okay, so I like to keep my eyes super simple, as you can see. And now I'm going to go in with my mascara, and this is where I like to bring a lot of emphasis and I guess drama to my eyes. So it's this mascara by L'Oreal. It's a telescopic. Whenever someone's looking for a new mascara, I always recommended this one just because I love it. So I start from the root all the way up and I just like to brush out my eyelashes. So once I finish my mascara, I go on to my lips. I've been loving the Milani Nude Lip Liner lately. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something new today, maybe some new products that you want to try out. If you guys like my makeup videos and want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below and tell me a certain look you want me to go for, or a challenge, or anything really. I want to make more videos for you guys. I'm just kind of running out of ideas and I want to know what you guys like to see me do, if that makes sense. If you guys got to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!